Hi, myself Sudeshna from Sai E-Filing. Today we'll know what is ITR filing. It is income tax return filing. It is the process of submitting your income details, tax paid, deductions and total taxable income to the Income Tax Department of India every year. It is a formal declaration that helps the tax department verify whether the correct amount of tax has been paid during the financial year. When do you file an ITR? How much you earned, from where you earned, how much tax was deducted, how much tax you need to pay or get refunded. Why is ITR filing important? It is mandatory if you crosses the basis exemption limit, helps you claim tax refunds, required for loans, visas, credit card, helpful for legal and financial records, avoids penalties for non-filing. Documents needed for ITR filing: PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank account details or account number, IFSC code, bank statements, passbook for interest income, salary income for salaried employee, Form 16 from your employer, salary slips, HRA documents, rental agreement, rent receipts, municipal tax receipts, home loan details. Features of ITR filing: salary, business or freelancing income, rental income, capital gains, shares, mutual funds, property, interest income, FD, savings account. Submission of last date of income tax. Officially, last dates for submitting your income tax return in India for the financial year 2024 to 25, assessment year 2025 to 26. Official website for ITR filing: www.incometax.government.in/IEC/FO portal. For more updates, subscribe to our channel, Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. Thank you.